Center a point of interest. Switch the cursor to View Cursor Type, then click on the chart area to activate the graphic cursor. To center a point of interest in the chart display area, move the graphic cursor on the point of interest, then click. Deactivate the function with a right-click. Center the ownership. You can center the ownership in the chart section by double-clicking on the Move Ship Symbol button on the chart panel bar. Page Ports on Tasks panel. The page Ports on the Tasks panel is accessible via the Tasks list and can be used to highlight the location of a port on the chart and to obtain general information, facilities and services about a specific port. It's also possible to interrogate the system to retrieve port information, if present, for a selected area. Ship cursor subfunctions in dual mode. If the ECDIS is operating in dual mode, the cursor can be toggled between Ship Cursor and ERBL Cursor on one of the displays. By clicking on the chart area using the Ship Cursor in a selected position, the chart will be redrawn with the ship symbol in this position. The zoom in symbol. The first option is to increase the scale by clicking on the zoom in symbol. The important indication overscale will be displayed at the upper left-hand corner in the chart display area if the current ENC chart is zoomed in twice or more its original scale. The overscale pattern will appear on small scale charts adjacent to the loaded chart in the chart display area, which are displayed at larger visualization scale. The zoom out symbol. You can decrease the scale by clicking on the zoom out symbol. Original scale. To display the chart on its original scale, click on Original Scale button on the chart panel bar. Trackball, mouse wheel. The second option is to use the trackball or mouse wheel to zoom in and out freely. This function can be used with all types of cursor, providing it's within the chart area. The zoom window via zoom cursor. The third option is the free zoom function via a zoom window. Activate the zoom cursor by toggling cursor types, then click on the chart area. To zoom in on a particular chart area, position the graphic cursor on the start point, then click. Move the cursor to expand the frame, then click again at the desired endpoint. Zoom in, zoom out buttons, original hardware control panel. The fourth option is to use the zoom in, zoom out buttons on the hardware control panel. Scale minimum. To activate Scale Min function, click on the Charts task from the Tasks list, then click on the ENC tab. Click on the Scale Min button to activate. This function is used to maintain the clarity of the chart. The objects are gradually removed from the chart when zooming out and will reappear when you zoom in. Auto Zoom. Another option is to scale the chart automatically. To activate the Auto Zoom function, click on Auto Zoom button on the chart panel bar. The Auto Zoom enables the scale to automatically increase up to the pre-selected maximum scale value while approaching the next waypoint. The scale will increase gradually based on the distance to waypoint analysis interval. Note, this function is only available on dual panel with a monitored route. Auto Zoom settings. Open the Config task and select the General tab to access the Auto Zoom settings. Click on Maximum Scale button, then select a scale from the drop-down list. Set the distance to waypoint analyses interval by changing the time in the Time of Update input box.